Hey people, I know I said I had 3 accessory things to open, but look what just came today, number 4. And I'm going to let you cheat. It is Everlasting Tips. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm starting to get all my favorite pens with the Everlasting Tips here. Super excited, exchanging them out. And I love the 4-placers. I'm in love with them. Let me see here. Here's a Crashly pen. These two. See, Crashly, I love you. 2 of my 3 favorite pens are yours. Ha ha ha. So yes, I am super excited. Oh, I need to get, I got a turtle pen from, Fantastic Painters. I'm so sorry. I need more coffee. And so I got Everlasting Tips because I just, oh guys, it's so fun. So fun. Now, there's several types of tips. Let me show you real quick. All right. This one. I haven't changed it yet. So this is not the tip. This is a brass tip. But you can purchase just this part of the tip. And I recommend that for people who are on a budget but want their tips to last forever. You can get this tip. I have one of them. I got to find which pen it's on. But you would pull this part out with pliers, and then you would put your Everlasting tip back in. The downfall of that is because I have so many pens, I lose which pen has the tip in it. I can't remember. And so that's why I went to this tip, which is the all-in-one. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Then I don't have to worry when I pull the pen out right away. I know that it has my Everlasting tip. Now, this pen Crashly made for me for some reason because of the clay, because it is handmade. This tip doesn't go in all the way, but that doesn't, it still functions. So I just put some washi tape around it and it's good and stuck in there. It's not going anywhere. That is not a default of the pen, or excuse me, of the pen or the Everlasting tip. It's just because it's handmade. And that also shows you too that depending on, you know, sometimes your acrylic pens are handmade. You're going to run into that problem because it's just handmade. But like this one, clay, it goes right in. So we're good. Okay, so this is called the all-in-one. I absolutely love it. Then you've got, she has 2 placers, 3 placers, 4 placers, I think 5 and 7. Please forgive me, Everlasting Tips, if I'm wrong, Nicole. But I love the 4-placer, and so that's why I keep going back to the 4-placer. Now, the reason I bought more tips, even though they're Everlasting, is I don't want to have to switch them from pen to pen because I'm just lazy. But you can switch them from pen to pen. They're Everlasting Tips. They're not going to die on you. You only need one. It's an amazing investment. Absolutely great. So why I got more is I am doing a member giveaway, and I have to do the video for March and April, but I needed to get more. So that's why I got more. So let's open this up and see. Koala stickers! Oh, thank you so much. Look how adorable they are. This is something that just makes my day when you get a little extra something something and stickers are, look at him! It's adorable. Okay, so Nicole, this is Everlasting Tips at bigbond.com. She has her Etsy shop. I'll put the link down below. And then I love this down here. Great job. She also sends you, like I said, here's like how to do it and being careful. And she sends you this thing. All right. So this is, okay, 2-placer, 3-placer, 4-placer, 6-placer, and straightener. All right, she gives you all the details of what to do, how to do it, and this is what I purchased. I purchased a 4-pack. Oh, I got to show you something new, well, fairly new, but it's so new that it keeps flying out of her shop, so I was waiting for it to come back before I ordered it. Okay. So here's my all-in-ones, and I wanted to get them because for my members, if you are a certain level and you win my Member Monday moment, you're going to get one of these. And then I had to get another 4-placer because, well, I just did. But this is what I'm excited about. I'm going to try to do a video on me using it. Forgive me, I forget what the angle is. I think it's a 25 or 35 angle. Look at my hand. Vanna White, Vanna White. So please forgive me. I should know all of this stuff before. Woo, there goes another tip. There goes. Okay, but I will put it like right here, what angle this is. And I can't wait to try this and see if it makes a difference with my hand or arthritis or certain drills. So I'm really excited. It's got very high quality. Yeah, so that's what I did too. And then I was like, oh, I love 4-placers. And so I have another 4-placer that was added on. So yeah, I am so excited to use these everlasting tips. It is an investment, but it's so worth it. Once I purchased, I can't live without it. It just helps you, especially if you are like a hard presser. It just gives you that stability, and I'm just absolutely in love with it. So thank you so much, Nicole. Keep up the good work. You're in my heart. You're in my prayers. Everlasting tips. I can't wait to add it to a second edition in my book. So be blessed. Take care. Love you all. And until next time, the next accessory or the next unboxing or tips and tricks or just chewing the fat. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.